Singapore's economy continues to grow, the country reporting that it expanded by over 4% year on year in the second quarter. And one firm is focused on helping startups in the region take the next step in their own growth journeys. Well, joining me now from Singapore is Puiyan Leung, founder of Vertex Ventures, Southeast Asia and India. Puiyan, thank you so much for joining. I know Vertex Ventures, Southeast Asia and India is a VC firm in the region. How is your cross-border platform enhancing the ability to support founders and deliver value?
Well, good to be here. We actually combine local expertise with the global reach of our Vertex network. Our native-speaking teams on the ground across Southeast Asia and India offer hyperlocal support and sourcing, while the global network provides access to capital, market expansion opportunities, and best practices worldwide.
Singapore plays a pivotal role in the region's innovation economy. How does being headquartered in Singapore give Vertex Ventures, Southeast Asia and India a strategic advantage in sourcing and scaling startups?
Well, of course, Singapore boasts the most mature startup ecosystem in the region. We have a strong talent pool in building frontier tech and unparalleled access to capital, being a major financial hub. And because of the robust ecosystem and pro-business environment, many startups actually choose to set up their headquarters here. So complemented with our on-ground presence across the region, being headquartered here puts us in a very good position to source promising companies that have potential to scale across the world.
Now, beyond capital, how does Vertex Ventures, Southeast Asia and India support portfolio companies as they look to grow?
Well, we are hands-on long-term partners. It's actually great to see Jeffrey coming on just before us. We have been partners with his firm for a long time, actually. And we support our founders with strategic guidance, talent acquisition, critical network introduction. So we believe in being an active investor and close collaborator with our founders. And of course, being part of the larger Vertex platform also means that our founders have access to our expertise, our resources across the globe, to support their needs as they scale.
How do you assess exit pathways for Southeast Asia-based startups when it comes to IPOs, of course, M&A, and dual listings?
Well, of course, a successful IPO on a leading stock exchange like NYSE would still be very highly prestigious, and it remains an aspirational goal for many founders. But in our region, actually, M&A remains a very realistic and viable reality. As a firm, we actually focus on helping our founders build businesses with strong business fundamentals, and that will give them the best position with a variety of options to exit when the time is right.
Now, what traits in founders or businesses do you look to invest in?
Yeah, so first of all, I think founders must have a compelling vision and the ambition to build market-leading companies. And entrepreneurial journey can be long and hard, so we look for resilience and adaptability. And it's not possible to build an enduring enterprise alone, so the ability to attract and build high-performing teams is also very critical.
How do you scale regional champions into global ones?
Yeah, I mean, it all comes with the founders' mindset. Then we encourage them to adopt a global mindset from day one and also leverage our extensive network to facilitate strategic expansion into new markets.
And what are some of the trends that you're seeing in this space right now?
Well, consumption remains a big trend in our region. It is a key driver of the regional economy, so that is still an important pillar. A lot of businesses are going through digital transformation, and along with it, therefore, adjacent sectors like AI, cybersecurity, financial services are also experiencing a lot of growth.
Puiyan Leung, partner at Vertex Ventures, Southeast Asia and India. Thank you so much for joining us here on NYSE TV Live.
Thank you so much.
All right, everyone. We'll